So you spilt red wine over your carpet. The first thing to do is to act fast. Now get some toilet paper, preferably a roll of toilet paper, and then simply pull the wine up using as much of the toilet paper as you possibly got. The important part is not to spread it. Draw as much of the red wine or the liquid up as possible and keep on doing it until the toilet paper is practically dry. When you've done that, then get a cloth and just simply make the cloth damp and do exactly the same, very carefully applying pressure to the part of the carpet or the furniture that has the red wine on, and keep on doing it again until you feel that you've got most of it up. The final part is to make the cloth wet and literally dripping, and then apply it to the carpet and to the furniture. Next is to use a dry towel and push down hard to bring up any of the dampness. Now you need to push hard to make sure you bring it all up. When you've done that, use your hoover to bring up any dirt that might still be in the carpet that might be affected by the red wine. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe, and of course you can always leave a comment as well. And if you want to see more of my DIY videos, then please go to my channel.